Entering and tracking conditions. In this Skinny-driven Livin video, we will explain how to enter and track conditions using the Track Conditions feature. One of the many unique, helpful tools provided by SDL is the Conditions feature, which allows you to track the health conditions that you experience. When the Conditions feature is used with the DIY Report feature, SDL can track food items, ingredients, additives, and/or allergens, and create a graph plotting them against the condition. To learn more about DIY reports, watch the SDL video about reports. You can create a list of health conditions, such as headache or stomachache, and then track those conditions' occurrence on a daily basis, rating the severity of the condition. To access the Conditions feature, click on the My Conditions tab. This will show you a page where you can input the conditions you would like to track. Type one condition you want to track into each text box. The condition can be very general, such as headache, or more specific, such as headache after drinking wine, if you suspect drinking wine gives you a headache. It is best to enter conditions that are basically yes or no, meaning you do or do not experience that condition that day, and if you do experience it, you can rank the severity from 0 to 10. When you are done, click Add Save button and these conditions will be saved. You can return to this screen and add conditions anytime you want. To track the severity of a condition you are experiencing, click on the Check-in Conditions tab. This will display a list of conditions you have previously entered. At the top of the page, you will see a date field. The system defaults to the current date, but you can also change this date to any date you wish to enter condition severities. The condition system was designed using a rank of 0 to 10, with 0 being the least severe and 10 being the most severe. Condition severities default to a daily value of 0. Enter a value that represents the severity you experienced that day. You can do this for any, all, or none of the conditions. When done, click Add Conditions. It's that simple. If you experience similar condition severities regularly, you can copy entries from another date by clicking on the Copy button, entering the date you wish to copy in the Copy From Date field, and then clicking on Add Conditions. If you wish to see condition entries for another day, click on the condition log and select the date for which you'd like to see condition entries. It is also possible to track custom conditions, such as air pollen level, for data that the SDL site does not already offer. In addition to tracking pollen level, you can add symptoms such as itchy eyes or sneezing. Then, using DIY reports, compare pollen against itchy eyes or whatever condition you entered to see if you can draw a correlation. You can also look for relationships between the severity of a condition and any other data tracked on the SDL site. If you use a body composition scale, you can track your daily body water percentage against a condition such as being tired. The possibilities are almost endless and provide you with a very powerful tool to investigate causes of conditions that you may be experiencing. The Track Conditions feature is a powerful tool for optimal living with SDL. Thank you for watching this Skinny-driven Livin video. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us and/or post a question in this video's thread in the SDL forum.